Hi, everybody. In this quick video, we're going to discuss when you should do the Create Performance task in your classroom. Now, when you're going to do the Create Performance task is really based on how many programming languages are you going to cover before you assign the task. Now, 85% of the students use a block-based programming language when they do the Create Performance task. So very few students use Python or another text-based language. But some teachers want to give their students the option of using Scratch or Python on the Create Performance task. So if you're only going to be teaching the students Scratch and you're only going to give them the option of doing the Create Performance task in Scratch, then do the Create Performance task after Unit 3 in our curriculum. This is the point of the year when the students will have their strongest Scratch skills. We just finished teaching them how to do lists in Scratch, procedures. This is when you want to do the Create Performance task with them. Then after that, continue with, if you want to, the Python Bootcamp, and especially units 4, 5, and 6. Now, if you are going to give your students the option to use Python on the Create Performance task, then do the Create Performance task after the Python Bootcamp is over. You don't need to do units 4 and 5 in order for the students to be able to do a Create Performance task in Python. All the skills to do a Create Performance task, they will learn during the Python Bootcamp module. So that is really how you're going to determine when to do this performance task in your class. Now let's just take a look at our curriculum in Codio really quickly. Now you can see in our curriculum, the Create Performance task is listed after Unit 5. That does not mean that is when we recommend you do it. We just recommend that if you're going through the course at the pace that's recommended, after Unit 5 would be a good time to do the Create Performance task. It'll still give you time to prepare for the multiple choice part of the exam, but that is not when everyone should do the Create Performance task. Like I said earlier, if you're just going to use Scratch, you can do the Create Performance task right after Unit 3. And if you're going to give the students the option of Scratch or Python, do the Create Performance task after the Python Bootcamp. I hope you found this information helpful. Good luck.